We take it to the dealer, and the dealer says, hey, this is going to cost you $8,000. And we're like, what? Like, the car runs fine. I don't even know why the check engine light came on. And they're like, well, it's an emissions thing with the state of California. The bad news is it's going to cost you $8,000. I'm like, the car's worth 15. Like, come on. Like, how about we just never fix it and call it a day? And they said, but the good news is the state of California will pay to have it fixed, but it has to be what's called a live code, an active code, not a historical code. And so they wiped the code. And so in order for it to be a live code, that means as soon as the code goes active, you cannot turn off the car. Do not turn it off. You have to drive it into the dealership. They will pull the code without it turning off. And then that counts as an active code. And so what we ended up doing, luckily, like, what are the odds, right? Like, if you live in a more rural area, or depending on how your life is structured, even if you live local to the dealership, it's the odds of that working are very, very low. Luckily, we're calling it our Kia miracle, our Christmas miracle, if you will. And the code came on, Valerie drove in and fixed it. And that they got the full $8,000 credit.